If you have this longer style vent and you open it up and on the inside it says CA-90, this is the perfect replacement for you. It's really easy to take out. There are 2 screws, one here and one which I've already taken out, so it's pretty much just one on each side. When you open it, this is what it looks like on the inside, and as you can see it says CA-90. That's how you know you're replacing the right thing. There is this plugged into an outlet. Mine is up there. Make sure to go ahead and unplug this before you get started. Then on the very top, there's a screw there and a screw on the other side. Those are the only 2 screws holding this entire thing in place. Then you just pull out the old one, and for the new one, you apply the screws in the same 2 spots. So this is the new one in. Listen to how quiet it is. If you had the old one, you know this is so quiet next to it. Then just reapply the cover and you're done.